Are you ready for the future of chicken? Symrise decodes consumer trends, designs innovative products, and delivers high-impact taste. With world-leading research, state-of-the-art technology, and flavor expertise, we empower you to create home-cooked, authentic flavors consumers crave. At scale. Work with Symrise as your trusted end-to-end partner, the only one you need for expertise on driving consumer preference, affordability, and speed to market. Sourcing chicken responsibly and locally from trusted suppliers, we help you make the connection from the best natural, real chicken to global market-winning products. With Symrise, discover what consumers want today and what they will need tomorrow. Authenticity, transparency, animal welfare, affordability, clean label, and, of course, superior taste. It's time to innovate with comprehensive chicken solutions, from sourcing to consumer satisfaction. Discover the possibilities of working with Symrise today.
Symrise, always inspiring more.